Welcome to my channel.
One day, in a bright and sunny forest, Timmy the squirrel is holding a small woven basket as he comes out from his cozy wooden tree hole. Sunlight peeks through tall green trees. Timmy hops along, picking shiny acorns and placing them into his basket. Timmy sings a little tune while spinning with his acorns, and they are flying in the air. Under a grand oak tree, Timmy dumps his basket into an enormous acorn pile. He loved finding them, collecting them, and piling them up high. A fluffy white bunny is holding her empty basket. She looks up at Timmy with big, hopeful eyes.
Hi, Timmy. I'm hungry. Could you share with me an acorn or two?
Timmy thinks to himself, I worked hard for these. I'm not willing to share. He hugs his pile protectively, a hesitant frown on his face. From a high tree branch with golden sunset light, a majestic but friendly owl glides down from the branch, and his feathers shine.
Timmy, sharing brings more than food. It brings joy.
Timmy glances at his friend shivering slightly in the cool breeze.
Okay, let's share.
Timmy smiles warmly, his paw is raised as if about to give an acorn to his friends. Timmy happily hands out acorns to his friends. Bluebird shares berries with Bunny. Hedgehog shares apples with Timmy.
Do you want an acorn?
Everyone's faces are glowing with gratitude as the animals gather around the food.
Wow, my heart feels warmer than ever.
Timmy and Friends leads everyone in singing the share song. All animals are dancing under colorful hanging lanterns in the trees. Bunny spins in a dance, and Bluebird twirls in the air. Timmy and Hedgehog are dancing happily. When evening comes, Timmy waves at his friend and says,
Goodbye.